Ever wondered why we've got this eyelet up at the top of most anchors? Well, you're about to find out, so stick around. It's for rigging a tripping line, and a tripping line assists us in getting our anchor back when you've snagged it. And normally where we lose anchors to snag them is a rocky area, or maybe somewhere you haven't checked your chart and there's one of those classic anchor snag devices, aka a cable. So if you get an anchor around the cable and it hooks the cable like so, or any obstruction, it's virtually impossible to get that anchor back. There is a technique for getting it back, but I'll show that in another video. But you can see, generally speaking, if you pull it from different areas, that anchor is not coming away. So if you're in one of those areas and you know there's a high likelihood that your anchor might snag on a dodgy sort of seabed, rocky seabed, we use this eye to put a rope in. Now this is before you actually deploy the anchor. We rig this. We just get a line, tie a bowline in the end. I've already shown you how to tie a bowline in a previous video. And now you've got that. At the end of this line needs to be long enough to allow for the depth of water that you're anchoring in, plus the tide obviously. And on the end of the line, we just rig a floating buoy like this. So you deploy your anchor, throw this off with the anchor, and this ends up just floating up above the anchor as you just back off, reverse the vessel astern, and just deploy the anchor as usual. And this sits here and floats. Now if you're trying to recover your anchor and you realize it's snagged, all you got to do is on the boat, reach out with a boat hook, grab the buoy, get this line, and let me show you. Once it's snagged underneath an obstruction, you just pull on this tripping line, it's called, and watch. Voila, there you go. That's how you get your anchor back.